Welcome to this tutorial over rescoring assessments in Aware. Before we get started, a couple of reminders. For best results, use Google Chrome or Firefox when accessing Aware. For full functionality of Aware, do not use the PISD portal for access. Access Aware by typing the link below directly into your browser. When to rescore. If you have already collected student data and you make any of the following changes to an assessment, you will need to rescore. You have made a change in the performance levels, for example, adjusting the satisfactory level from 60% to 70%. You have changed the value of a question. For example, you zero-weighted a question. You changed the answer to a question. You changed the learning standard associated with a question. In this case, there is no need to rescan. You can simply rescore the answer document. To rescore the answer documents, navigate to the Assessments tab. For this example, we will rescore a school assessment. Drill down to the location where your assessment is saved. Once you have located the assessment, click on the Administration tab. Then click Rescore. Clicking Rescore will apply the changes mentioned on the last slide to all previously scanned answer documents. There is no need to rescan the answer documents. If you have additional questions over this topic, please contact your level data specialist. For high school, James Early. For middle school and intermediate school, Chrissy Dollins. For elementary school, Darcy Hurd. Thank you for viewing this tutorial.